I am a poet, me, sitting way up high, preaching in rhyme on my poetry, hoping that somebody will walk by and notice me. Cause I know the words that I say will find a person to save. With each verse I relay, they will serve to relate, giving comfort to another through the power of poetry. And yes, poetry is powerful. My name is Gair. I'm a spoken word poet and rapper and facilitator. I live just outside of Cardiff, and we're going to talk today about Unlocked and letters to us. I met the wonderful Melanie Watton, and Melanie got me involved with this amazing project called Unlocked, and it's to do with a larger sort of project within Cardiff Royal Infirmary, funded by Arts Council Wales and for the Arts for Health and Wellbeing team. Unlocked was about what we learned from the pandemic and how we can move forward in the future, and we created a spoken word poem and video, and I got involved a couple of artists that I've worked with before, Dom Soy, Tom James and Trev Burgess, who all contributed with art, with music and with the visuals. And I think, the poem came out amazing, and I've had so much wonderful feedback, but it was just actually an honour to do. I later moved on to work with Links Mental Health Community Services, and we created something quite unique. So as a performance poet, I've used creative writing and writing poetry from a young age to express how I feel, to open up about my mental health, because I have obsessive compulsive disorder myself, which is heavily stigmatised and misunderstood. And I created 8 workshops for adults who are suffering from various mental health conditions to try and help not only develop their confidence, but develop their writing and show that creative writing and poetry can be used as a self-therapy, and it's a really powerful tool to combat mental health. And the project was just astounding to me. It was hugely rewarding, watching the participants grow and watching how amazing their poetry started to develop. And then they ended up writing a letter to their mental health condition. So the project's called Letters to Us, and then there's a mural now in the Links waiting room, created by Amelia and a few of the participants. And it was just, I've seen it recently, and I just feel so proud to be part of such a meaningful project. And I think things like this should really be pushed, because I really do think they can help people.